Welcome to Science Tutor. Let's have a look at quadratic equation. This time we shall be focusing on roots of quadratic equation. Many times students have had challenges on this aspect of quadratic equation, but it takes basic knowledge to also handle such problem. Now, recalling the quadratic formula that says x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Recall, whenever we are given a quadratic equation, for example, in this case we have 3x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. The first term, a, is 3. The first is always a when related to ax squared plus bx plus c. So a is the first term carrying the coefficient of x squared, which is 3. That is a. B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 4, while c is the constant term, which is minus 1. In solving such a problem, it is vital for us to realize this, comparing the equation that is given to get the constant term a, b, and c. And that is a guide in solving such a problem. Now, in determining the root of alpha plus beta, first we need to take note of the fact alpha plus beta is minus b all over a. That is the formula. And then alpha beta is equal to c all over a. It is vital to take note of this. Once you have good understanding of this, you can solve problems on that. Now, we are given this quadratic equation, we have obtained a, b, and c. Now, let us solve the problem. For the first case, we are told to find alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b over a. But first of all, alpha plus beta minus b is given as minus 4 over a is given as 3. So automatically minus cancels minus, minus times minus is a plus, so it means we have it as 4 over 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to 4 over 3. That is for the first case. Now for the second case, we are told to find alpha beta. Alpha beta, that is alpha times beta. And we know that alpha beta is c over a. What is c? C is minus 1. So we have minus 1 all over a is given as 3. A is 3. So a is 3. That makes alpha beta to be minus 1 over 3. Alpha plus beta 4 over 3. Alpha beta minus 1 over 3. In the third case, we are told to find 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. In this case, we go with the LCM, and LCM is alpha beta. Alpha cancels alpha, we are left with beta times 1. That makes this to be beta plus beta cancels beta, we are left with alpha, so we have alpha. So at the end of the day, we have beta plus alpha all over alpha beta. Beta plus alpha also means alpha plus beta. And we've solved for alpha plus beta, which is 4 over 3. So we have 4 over 3 for this case, divided by alpha beta, which is minus 1 over 3. So we have minus 1 over 3. Solving, we have 4 over 3 divided by minus 1 over 3, which means 4 over 3 times minus 3 over 1. So 3 cancels itself. At the end of the day, we are left with minus 4. So that is to say 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equal to minus 4 as our final result. These are ways we solve roots of equations, and it takes having good understanding of the quadratic formula and the terms that are involved. As we proceed in subsequent videos, I shall be solving some more complex problems on roots of the equation. I'm sure we got value from this video. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos for more persons to see. Have a good time. Bye for now.